Kidsplora!
Kidsplora.
Let's explore the world with Kidsplora. Woo!
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kidsplora. Today we are going to draw a happy little bird together. Are you ready? Let's start with our black marker. First, let's draw a small, sharp triangle right here for the beak. This is how our bird eats its seeds. Just above the beak, let's make a friendly curved line for the eye. Our bird looks so happy and sleepy. Now, let's draw the body. Start at the beak, curve up for the head, and then go all the way down the back. A nice smooth line. Let's finish the body by drawing a big round tummy from the beak down to the bottom. Then add some soft lines in the middle for the wings. Our bird needs to stand. Let's add 2 little legs with tiny feet at the bottom. 1 and 2. Finally, let's draw some long feathers at the back for the tail. And look at that, our bird outline is complete. Great job! Time to add some color. We have 5 bright poster colors today. Let's start with blue. We'll paint the top of the head and the back blue, just like the sky. Now let's use some red. We're going to paint the bird's chest right under the beak. Look how bright and warm that red looks against the blue. Next, clean your brush and let's take a little bit of yellow for the beak. Just a small dab there. Now our bird is ready to sing. We'll fill in the big round belly. It's starting to look so cheerful and sunny. Just a little bit of green now for the very bottom of the belly, right where it meets the tail. It blends so perfectly with the yellow. Finally, let's use our brown for those tiny legs. 1 and 2. Our colorful bird is finished. It looks absolutely amazing. Wait, do you hear that? Look, our drawing is moving. Wow, our bird is flitting its wings and looking around. It's coming to life. Great job, little bird. He looks so happy to be so colorful. Now that he's here, let's learn how to write his name.
This video has been made in cooperation with Admirals Publishing.
Alphabet time.
Now it's time to write. B-I-R-D, bird. Open your warm-up 1 book and turn to stage 44. We are going to write the word bird in lowercase. Start at the top black dot. Go straight down, then follow the arrow back up and around. That's a B. Next is I. Start at the middle dot, go straight down, and give it a tiny dot on top. Now for R. Start at the dot, go down, then follow the arrow back up for a little hook, just like a little wing. Last is D. Make a round circle first, then go all the way to the top and straight back down to the line.
We hope you really enjoyed watching. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see all our new videos. Thanks for watching.